Hey, Bryce here from ListDefender, and I wanted to show you why list cleaning is so hard for most keep and high level users, why they aren't doing it even if they should, and it's totally not your fault. There are a lot of problems in the space here with making it easy for you all to do this, so I want to show you what exists out there, what part of the puzzle they solve, and then how to get all the pieces so that it's really simple and really affordable if you want to start having your list cleaned, your forms protected, and your engagement tracked. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to draw it down here. Okay, so our journey looked like this. We have been in this space for about 15 years. We had a massive list that we hadn't cleaned yet, so we knew it was time to do some cleaning. So what we did is we went to one of the services that a lot of people recommended at the time. It was called Clean 13, and we experienced for ourselves what is it like to actually clean a list. So when we did that, we were shocked by how brutal it is for most people. The way it works is you're going into like keep or high level, you're taking your list, you're giving it over to Clean 13, they scrub it, they send you a new list that's cleaned and has like the contacts sorted by like spam traps and other things. And then what you're supposed to do is upload that list back into your CRM, your email marketing service, and deal with duplicates. Make sure you don't mess that up, right? And then voila, you have a clean list. The other thing is there's no direct integration between the CRM and Clean 13. Instead, you'd have to go around to another service like Email Smart if you wanted to integrate this with something like Keep. So this already was just a huge turnoff. But that was just the start. So if you're doing any kind of email deliverability, you want to help your emails get to clients, stop being in spam, stop getting bots, all that kind of stuff, you kind of have to couple list cleaning with another thing like form protection. Because you can clean your list, but the next day when you get new leads in, you're going to start getting maybe some bots, you're going to get some fake emails, contacts like that, and without any kind of form protection, you're in trouble. So then once we had Clean 13, you had to go get another tool like Spam Kill and put this on all of your forms, and yeah, now you feel like, okay, I'm protected, right? Well, not quite. There's still one more area that you needed here, and it was the email engagement side of things. So email engagement is important. If you send emails to people who haven't engaged in like 90 days or more, it makes it so your emails start going to spam, start getting less delivered. It's a bad sign that Google, Apple, all the email providers will notice and suspect that you might be a spammer. So your emails don't get as much priority when you do things like that. So for us, luckily we have a tool at Plus This that can do this, but not a lot of people do. So if you wanted to like implement the most standard list cleaning, maintenance kind of stuff, you were stuck getting like 3 different tools to do this. Or if you didn't do this, it was a very hard manual process, and some of it you just really can't out manual it. So you have to do something. And what we realized was this is so bad that we wanted to step in and make like a service here, right in the middle, that would cover all 3 of these areas: list cleaning, email protection, and email engagement. And that's what ListDefender is there for. So what's cool about it is you can go ahead and you can go to our website, you can get a free account, start trying it for 5 days. It will scrub your list, it'll clean it up, you can put it on your forms, put our stuff on your forms to stop bots from coming in. You'll see all the contacts that are coming in through your forms, and if they were good or if they were invalid, if they were bypassing forms, if they were doing malicious or coming from malicious IPs, all kinds of stuff. So it's a really cool thing that you can try. It's free to even just try it. If you want to keep it, it starts at like $20 a month. So it's a really affordable way to do this instead of having to sign up for 3 different tools and hope that you can get everything covered. So we're just trying to make it easier for people to have better email deliverability, check it out, give it a try. If you have any questions, I'll be answering them in the comments below. See ya.